Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we have a new project here that is just about to launch called Golden Beans. Self-sustaining, self-earning, that's Golden Beans. But before we get into it, please hit the like button, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter, links in the description. Also go and take a look at the Discord servers, links are also in the description, and to the email newsletter. And yeah, with that said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and always be careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. And with that said, let's take a look. So Golden Beans is a new DApp, a new passive income project, which hasn't yet launched, but they are by the same guys that have created BNB All Stars, which is still live and has been live for a very long time. Currently has about 30K in here still and still producing. As you can see, still producing very nicely. So they are the same team as BNB All Stars, and the developer has created a bunch of other projects, which you probably remember back in the bull market. So let's go over the white paper and see what Golden Beans is all about. So roast your BNB to receive Golden Beans. So we are the BNB All Stars team, a renowned and trusted collective with track record of successful ventures in the blockchain space. Our commitment to innovation drives us, ensuring we consistently bring forth groundbreaking solutions and novel offerings to the community. The Golden Beans contract remains ownership of BNB. When BNB is roasted, the buy price determines the amount of beans provided. When the beans are brewed, the sell price determines the amount of BNB provided. After the beans are roasted, if you have any dividends, you can select to dark roast, which provides more beans at the current buy price. Essentially, this is compounding, or you can withdraw dividends to receive your BNB. So there's a 6% fee are applied and sent to the team for project development and marketing. There is a 3.3% referral bonus. The early roaster program is designed to help build an army of roasters who plan to hold their beans for the long term. Early roasters are limited to a maximum purchase of 1 BNB. The owner can add a new Barista account, change the proof of beans amount of beans held to receive referral bonus, increase the early roaster maximum purchase amount, and disable the early roaster program exactly once. So baristas can add newly roasters and roast as early roasters. So I am a barista, and I'll go over this in a second. Neither the owner nor the baristas can affect the price of the bean, otherwise it will kill the contract in, or otherwise kill the contract in anyway, sorry. The master brewer will roast and brew autonomously to ensure that a quality bean is always roasted. If bean price goes low, master brewer will roast more beans, etc. They're just going over the mechanics of the smart contract there. So roast takes your BNB and provides beans at a gas efficient manner. So essentially, depending on the buy price, and the buy price is currently 0.001 BNB, which is 23 cents, and the sell price is 18 cents. So you can go ahead and get your beans, and then for this price, and then if someone sells, of course, this price goes down. If someone buys, then of course, this price goes up. Okay, so pretty cool stuff there. Cool little feature, and essentially, if you're essentially holding the beans and you earn dividends when people buy and sell. So it's like a smart contract DApp, which is pretty self-sufficient, right? As long as everyone, and I was involved in a lot of these DApps back in the 2017 days on the Ethereum network. Back in like 2016, 2017, there was one main DApp where I was in where you generated dividends every time someone bought or sold, or just holding the Ethereum in the smart contract. Same thing here. Where it had the similar price where you can, as people buy, this goes up, as people sell, it goes down, sort of thing. But yeah, if you want to join, I will have a link in the description. I think it's a pretty cool concept because I haven't personally seen something like this launch for a good couple of years. So this is the contract balance. This is the total beans. This is your beans, your estimate beans value, your dividends, referral rewards, and total divs there. So they do have an audit which you can read over that, and they've got some FAQs based on this. What is the barista role? So the barista role is given out to our most known community members. They take the role as the leader where they have the power to make their most loyal community members early roasters, which give them access to the first stage of Golden Beans, the early roster phase. So I do have the barista role. So if you do want to go ahead and join the project, then I can get you in early. So let me know and I can get you whitelisted. So people with early roster role have access to the first stage of the game and have an advantage of creating their team earlier. So there's a max buy-in of 1 BNB, and the early stage will last 2 weeks. Now, I do like that there is a max buy-in of 1 BNB in the early stage. It means that there is more opportunity and more time for people to get in. There is a Telegram. You can go and join that. I am in the Telegram as well. But yeah, here is the contract, which you can take a look at. As you can see, there's currently 10K in here already, and they've barely even launched, which is pretty good to see. But yeah, guys, that's really going to be it for this video, just introducing this new project, which has just recently launched. I will leave a link in the description. I think it's a pretty cool sort of mechanic. I will be using this during this pump in the market, just to generate some dividends and some fees, right? Which is pretty cool. So this price, it looks like it's been pretty stable over the past couple of days. So just generating divs and not really losing any USD value in the price is pretty cool, because not many people are selling at the moment, which is good to see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.